Okay, we're back. Woosa.
Breed, woosa.
Good thing we took a break between the videos.
Yeah. And sorry about your wall. I didn't mean to break my hand on your wall, John. So anyway,
I thought that was a cat door.
yeah. I'm so stressed out. Who the hell are we again?
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.
Yeah. So prior to this, we had a really bad mail call, and it was basically some dirty loser butt plug who left stuff in the sun and dirt and mud and whatever. But this one, we're gonna see who this is and how good this guy packs it.
You probably are going to be mad when you see what's in that.
Okay, so as long as they, if it says what it is on eBay, and you're still dumb enough to buy it, you can't complain. But if it looks like it's cherry, brand new, and all this, or they say and it's not, that's a different story. Okay, so
It's a long box.
wow, this is a ton of stuff in here, man.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna have to take this out real slow, bro. That's a lot of stuff. I already see a treasure hunt in there already.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we got the ZAMAC right here, which I know we already have already.
Yeah.
We actually found this one at Walmart. So not bad.
I even found an error one.
Yeah, that's right. You got the error one too. That is right. That's correct. And yeah, you're not joking. You got the Gretty.
Yeah.
Datsun. I like this. Is nice. Is it Gretty or Greedy?
G-Ready.
Oh, like G Money, yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Blastius Moto. And no, I didn't say blast your bottle. It says Blastius Moto.
Hello, Moto.
Yeah. Hello, Moto. Blank
It sounds real.
Hello, Moto. Blank my bottle. Okay.
Oh,
So.
you're not saying I'm loving it. On Edward.
On Edward. Ooh, this is not bad, actually.
Ooh.
Treasure hunt.
Oh.
Cool combi, baby. Look, you spark them.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
They did the headlights? Nah, just playing.
No, they did. It's actually on. Hey, right there.
I wonder how Mattel gets away with an art piece, the card art, showing painted emblem and headlights and turn signals, but on the actual car itself, it doesn't have it. I wonder how they get away with that. They're like,
Because they're Mattel, bro. All right.
this one, I don't care how much I have.
240 custom.
This one's just bad. I like this one.
Mouth. We have to edit that.
Oh, it was as.
Oh, you said as. Okay.
Ask. It's bad ask.
Okay, so like this one will get not too bad, but
Yeah. Well, I'll open it.
yeah, we already have these already. That's okay.
Yeah.
Some folks don't have it, but that's fine. We show them. We're here to educate. Ooh, Aston Martin ZAMAC.
No, this one we don't have.
No, we do not have this one.
There's more than one.
Ooh, I get one for myself. All right. Okay. This one. Holla, 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 holla. Volkswagen truck. The Caddy. Wow. Kind of dingage over there, but that's okay.
It's okay. We're gonna open that.
Yeah, at least you have the option. You have the option. Nice and clean, no more doo-doo, no more any kind, kitty litter, and no look like it was in the sun for like 13 years.
Let me point something out though.
Well, what?
This was bought brand new this year. This was found on the pegs.
That must have been in some kind of desolated town or something, huh?
Yeah, they had some really old stuff. Still
Wow.
on the pegs. Or They held a case for a long time. I've never seen this one in the store.
Aventador Miura Homage.
It's homage.
I took screwed up language in school, okay? So,
Oh, I took English and it's home.
hey, look, I don't care if you're homage or you straight, bro, okay?
That is nice.
Yes.
I haven't seen this one on the pegs here.
No, I have not either, and I want to get one.
But there's a super version.
Yeah, I know. I'd like to get the super version too.
Oh, I have not seen this either on the pegs.
Lamborghini Countach.
Pace car.
Pancho Pace car.
Oh.
Look at that. Uh-huh. Look at that.
Oh, I can't wait to open that.
And once again, you have the option to leave it in or open it. Because it's not dirty like the other stuff we had from Mr. Butt Wipe.
Well,
Okay.
yeah.
You can see, folks, I'm still not mad, huh? I'm over it. And here we have another ZAMACs. I like this one. This is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Because it just says hot. It describes us.
Oh.
See? And then just when you think it doesn't, it says hot. Oh, what are you doing? That's the regular. I told it backwards. Okay, well, got to take my meds. Oh, you got a slight ding over there, but that doesn't matter because we're going to open it anyway.
I'll open that.
You getting that? Look at that. Oh.
Hey, don't we have that one in the factory sealed?
Yes, we do.
Was that the bent one?
Yes, we do.
I still gotta put that video up. We gotta put that video up.
Yes, we
I
do.
was so pissed that I didn't want to do the video.
Ooh.
Yeah, I knew you'd like this.
Ooh.
Because this one is the Walmart
You know,
version release, I think.
this reminds me of the Batman song, but I would not sing it for this because this is not the Batman song. Okay? Oh, drop the light. This right here, and everything falling apart. This is the Batman song, Doodoo 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 Batman.
Wait, you know what this is, right?
The small violin playing because
The smallest violin.
yeah. This is
Oh, I cannot beat that off.
this is stretching the smallest.
Touche.
Okay, folks.
We digress.
Yes, we eat grass, and but this is the tumbler, and this is the camouflage tumbler.
Yeah.
This is nice. I
I
like
think
this
this
one.
is a new set release. So
Yeah.
It should have all of them in there.
Wow, this is cool.
Let's see the back. Oh, you grab the next one. Let's see. What do we got?
Let me see.
6 different
Okay, they're not in order.
Batmobiles. Oh no, it's 3, 4, 5 Batmobiles and a Lamborghini.
Mm.
So we'll put that one on the side since they're not in order.
And this is the Corvette.
Ooh. That looks better in person. I don't think I've ever seen that on the pegs. Though.
And also the ZAMAC. Okay.
That's nice. Can't wait to open these.
Once again, you have the option. Mine was taken from me. And the Mini Cooper. No.
I saw a white one at Goodwill open,
Oh, really?
sitting on the shelf.
Well, now you have its brother from another mother.
Mm.
Yeah. Honda City Turbo. What do they call them Honda City for?
Because it's Honda's car for the city.
Ah, okay. Imagine putting V8 in that thing, bro. I wonder if that thing would even handle it. You'd have to drive your Volkswagen from the back seat. Abdul. No, okay, I'm just not mine.
That thing is so small, it can fit in the back of my truck.
Yeah, the real car. Okay. Oh,
Ooh.
right here. I would say, this vet kind of describes me. Okay, the Roadster. Okay, you know, you see, look at that.
Big nostrils.
No, as of the moment, I'm fast and furious. Well, maybe just the furious spot.
So it says it's track stars. Is that a metal body?
It's kind of hard. Did I just say hard?
Hard, yeah.
Yeah. Well, wait, let me check.
Yeah.
It is hard.
It is hard.
But, you know,
it should be.
It feels heavy. Yeah, it feels heavy. It should be. Well, it better be.
Usually the metal bases are better on the track.
Oh, yeah, the weight there.
Yeah.
That's why I glue pennies to my cars.
Oh.
Oh, did I just give away a secret?
Cool runnings.
Cool running, man.
Oh, there it is.
Ooh, dun, dun, dun. All right, another ZAMAC right here.
I've seen this in the
Indy 500, bah.
On the pegs. Either.
The ovary. Oh, oval. Sorry, my bad.
Oh, Freudian slip.
Look at that. Look at that.
Nice.
Small kind of dingage, but not bad.
Because we're
to
open it.
This looks actually almost close to the damn Super, bro, almost.
Yeah.
So that's a cool ZAMAC. Or ZAMAC, or however else you want to. Hold on. Damn, bro. This is ZAMAC packed. Another S. Tin Martin. Yep.
177.
Yep. All right. All right. So, okay. So there's some dupes in here, but that's okay. We don't mind dupes, bro. All right.
Yeah, that's treasure hunt.
This is a T-Hunt? No way. Oh, yeah, it is. Where's the... Oh, there it is. Sparkle right there. Yeah. There you go. Do you see them?
Hey, we're going to do our opening of all the treasure hunts.
This is actually nice. Ah, you have Blair Runner. Now you have... Did I just say Blair Runner?
Yeah.
Wow, I'm really stupid. You know that. Why don't I just keep going, okay? Because that's Blade Raider. All right.
Well, we got to get to opening all that treasure hunts for that one video.
Oh, no, you mean we got to open all my trashy, screwed up Batmobiles? Yeah, that too. Oh, this is kind of cool.
It's another treasure hunt.
What the hell is this, though? I mean, this is...
Cloak and Dagger.
This is... You know, they made a movie. There's a TV series called Cloak and Dagger. It's just out from Marvel. You heard that, Marvel? Sponsor us, huh?
That's also the queen for the Checkmate series.
No.
Or, no, I'm sorry, the Bishop.
For Game of Thrones?
Oh, no, wait. No, it is the queen.
Okay, John's confused, and I have no clue what he's talking about, but this is actually cool. You know, just dingage on the corners over there, but it's a treasure hunt. We're going to open them anyway, so minor. We go eat. Boy, you guys.
It's also an old one, too. You know?
Yeah. All right, I'm sure you got this one, but this is still cool.
Oh, this one, too, another one. I don't care how much I have, but it's just badass.
So greedy, yeah, you.
Mm-hmm.
All right, 82 Nissan Skyline, or for the people that can't pronounce it, Nissan.
I think I'll repaint it.
Chrome.
Hey,
Donut.
We'll use white out. The tape one.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, yeah, this is another
96 180 SX.
I don't care how much of these I get. I'm going to get them.
Type X. So we got the black one. Yep. Now we got the white one.
And
there's the graphics.
Well, I think I have every release so far.
Yeah.
The red, the Hot Wheels race team.
This is cool. I wish they put better rims though, but that's all right. Still a cool casting.
Yeah, but they don't make Yankees anymore.
Ooh. Purple. Look at that, bro.
I like the little flakes in the paint. There you go. Look at that. I have these things.
Skyline GTR R33. That's a mouthful. Say that like 50 times fast, bro. Then and now.
Say that while eating Simon.
And shave ice while driving in traffic. All right. Only in Hawaii we can do that, bro.
Even though Simon is Chinese. I like to say ramen.
Just got to watch out for the falling rail when you be good. All right. We got another one right here. Oh, we choke stuff inside this one. All right. Here we go. Oh, okay.
Oh,
So
that is nice.
another Zamac, whatever. 67 Pontiac Firebird. No more hood. They forgot the hood. You have an error.
They had one, a release that looked like that, but it wasn't
Oh,
called a
dude.
ZAMAC.
I really like the rims. The rims on that thing, that chrome green is nice, bro. Look at that. You see that? Look at that. Winner, winner, Portuguese soup dinner. Okay. I like chicken, but I was eating too much of that, so. Ooh. Ooh. Dude, this card looks cool, bro.
Oh yeah.
The Arkham Batmobile, bro. Check it, check it. Look at the card on that. That's one sick. This you got to keep the card, bro. This is worth. When they decorate it like that, that's awesome, bro.
Well, I do keep all the cards.
You don't have to be
We
sassy,
gotta
cat.
pause. We gotta pause.
You gotta pause.